gone. I don't have nobody by my side. Rest in peace.
Flynn, why are you dressed in like this?
What do you mean when I dress? How me dress?
Not because your father did. You're not after them moves, you know? I don't like how you dress. I not say you used to look. No bother with the foolishness. I notice you act like a mad people.
Listen, when my daddy was alive, him always get up every day and tell me, say, I'm me in charge of everything. Every little thing. So if you see me just right now, it is my opinion to dress this way. What is wrong with me? Dressing like this. Am I doing something wrong or me dress?
Hey, listen. I don't discriminate how you dress. But this is not you. The person me know who you be, I know this person now. You look different, you act different, you talk different, everything different about you. You look like your father dead and it has stressed you out from them time there. Stop thinking about the dead, you ain't already gone, where you go do? You think so when you dress like this and go out on the road, go look money as what you say? It a go bring back your daddy? No.
I realize, say, if your daddy dead, you feel like you're in charge of me. You no response for me. I'm a big man.
Okay, Flynn, I realize say you're not on your right side right now. I not come in no argument with you, but bet you.
So what you tap me for?
Me, I bet you 10 grand right now. Say you go come to me one day.
Don't watch me. Stop watch me.
No man, no worry yourself. Everything good.
So watch, get up and watch me.
You have to come to me and tell me sorry because you go in and found desperate needs. A matter of fact, where your sister there?
Don't question me, go look the yard.
Can see say no manners. This a generation here. You different. Flynette.
Yes, I'm around here, sir.
Go on. Are we here to study?
Yeah.
That's good. Hey, I can't sit down side of you. I need to talk to you. Alright. Yes, sir. Flynette.
Yes?
Like when you sit down and study. That is very good. Keep it up. Let me ask you one question. I get you understand say your sister they up and down on road and I just like she a man now. You talk to her?
Yeah, I talk to her, but she not take no telling from me. Even though we are twins. Why, I don't know if you say. She not take no telling from me. I don't know what happened to her.
It look like since her father dead, she take it personal and take it real serious because she on one different level. I don't like how she a move. I wonder if she a smoke too.
I know I fear her life, you know.
I know say I fear her life.
Anything
But
she
I know
want.
no long time and I know no father before him pass. I wouldn't like to see nothing happen to her. You need to talk to her again and pray. Pray for your sister. You hear what I say?
Alright.
Pray for your sister, man. And her fast me, they fast in no business, but I don't want to see one of them come up good and the next one gone bad. It not go nice. I'm sure say your sister, you were so not twin. I'm sure say you don't want nothing bad happen to her. So you need to pray.
Alright.
Anytime you see her back again, talk to her.
Alright.
Okay. I just don't know what I want to talk to you about. So take care of yourself here.
Alright.
And keep up your studying. It is very good. You come more from this, me go see you, so you're going to college. What a good girl like you. Don't worry yourself.
Alright.
In case you need any help, you can just come to me. You understand?
Alright.
Okay.
Hello? Oh, when you say you come, what time? After 9? Alright, then just message me when you get ready. Alright.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness.
Once.
I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind to
Yeah, baby, me I come, baby.
innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss.
What? From last night, you have the whole night sit down and wait for you. What?
I'm gonna tell you what I'm going. Saying, come and talk. Alright, here I go now. You see, what really happened last night is that it's because I taxi me run, you know, man kind of get caught up with the whole night. I'm going, I a shower, and I just sleep off. I don't understand why. You understand? But you can't kill me. But I'm gonna make it up to you today, now. I want your birthday, and soon.
Yes.
I make it up to you, man. So nobody think it hard and say, boy, me I take it for a joke. And you just done did. Powder up and everything. Tell you. Boy, just
You
don't.
should have at least call me and tell me say you not go make it, you not go come.
I know
Can
you
you
go
have
say
me
that, you know.
hope?
I know you go say that, you know. I'm very sorry. Can I apologize? Can I say I'm sorry? I'm sorry, man. I know I'm not again. Alright?
Alright.
Senator, you're the only one in this world, you know. Alright?
Alright.
Alright. So how's your morning? Was good?
It was okay.
So what? I don't even know nothing about you too much. Here we go though. See later on, may I come for you and we go enjoy ourselves. Cause I don't really know much about you. Cause last time, you know, so I meet nightclub. And you know, go on good nightclub and thing. You make me have to get to ask certain things. And see it you know, 4 days later. You understand me I say? I lie me I tell?
I don't lie at all.
Alright, so you are going now. I'm gonna make sure say later on we can go out. Today later on me
Make sure you know.
Today later on, don't worry about it man. We go out and we enjoy ourselves. Yeah?
Alright.
So how you find me? I'm interested in live for the scheme at the apartment place. You find me? Eh?
Come here one day for something wrong, so I have to
Nothing
come.
wrong. Nothing can wrong with you. What you talk about? Oh, something wrong. Something wrong with you? Eh? What's wrong with you? Alright, Flinetta. So later we talk. Here, come here. Because you carry now, we have some issues with it, so I have to try to make you, get some stuff.
Make sure you come pick me up later, you know.
Of course, I come pick you up, babe. Alright?
Alright.
So mark your car. Remember, say my car. All the bump I'll drop off. Yeah?
Alright.
Oh my God, I feel good. Later I'm excited, you know. Remember, say anything you want, alright?
Alright, babes.
Alright, baby.
Flynn, how about you want to sit down on the roadside? You eat from morning, your sister look for breakfast left down the for you know. Why you kiss? I don't understand. Why you just eat your teeth? Why you kiss your teeth off of me, Flynn? Flynn, you know say me a big woman for you. And I me a take care of you. And I realize so when me a talk to you, you are going like I say you are a bigger person. And I me to stay with you is not you staying with me. Flynn, me don't want to deal with you in a no aggressive way. Me I try my best to keep calm and take what you tell me and the behavior where you give to me, I do not like it. Please, me, they beg you, have respect. You need to have respect to elderly people. All when me I know your mother. Remember, I'm your guardian. You don't need to deal with me like that.
Me did tell say me hungry and more food.
Lord Jesus. Anyway, don't make it go so far because me and not argue. Like some dirty nigger. Or then can cuss and some man will live bad yard with their woman. Listen to me, man. We live together. Me just want to make sure so you eat something and you're alright. Me I wonder why you sit down on the roadside. You're not by yourself. I look out of space and dip on phone and me don't know if you're alright. That's why I come talk to you. Right now up on the road, me I go. You understand? Me I go start out something on the road to come back. Me just want to know say you're good.
You're good.
You're good.
Because I will meditate.
You know say me I pray for you. Me I pray for you. Me I pray for you and me I ask God to see if he talk to you to see if you can change your ways them. Because me don't like same if me your guardian. I'm not your parent, but I'm your guardian. And you deal with me like I say, me I sound like an idiot. Suppose me they treat you according to how you talk to me and how you deal with me. Me ain't no size.
You're my father.
Me look like a man to you?
You're my father, man.
You better just ask me say if me your mother. I mean, know already. You don't even have to ask me that. Why you behave so? What me do to you? Talking truth where God love. What me do to you? Because I know me not do you nothing. I try my best to see to you that you're alright. You know, as you know, say some real mother native would appear no mind. And for show you the love when I have for you and look how you deal with me.
No man, no love. No love. Father, I love me already. Your father.
Remember, say your father dead. So your father cannot love you in a dead state. He did love you when he was alive, but not now.
Dead or not, that's why I represent him.
So hold on there. I don't understand, maybe I have to go care some therapy or some counselor or something, whatever it may be. Because I don't understand why you have to behave in a kind of way. I saw when you go up on the road and other people talk to you, so you deal with them.
The work you say I go.
You can't deal with people in them the way they have to have respect to elderly people.
No work you say I go.
I'm not going to any work and I did
Or
not say
upon the
that.
road.
I go up on the road, go sort out something for you and your sister.
You want to sort out nothing for me. I'm one big woman.
How old do you think you be? What do you mean when you say you're one big woman? I don't understand you. What you talk about? Eh?
Me no bag of chatting.
You want one pill?
Me no
You
want.
can give you money to get one pill. You just say your head hurt you.
Jesus Christ, everywhere me go.
I wonder if your dead father you are fret pan. Because when you did younger, you never used to behave like this. All of a sudden, you bust you like a mangy kite. I don't understand you. What is wrong with you? If something wrong with you, you need to talk to me and tell me. Because me are not Jesus. Me cannot know, me can't read people.
Hello. Afternoon. Yeah, me look on my phone gone now.
I see you no manners. I see it. I just listen you and I watch you. Oh, you're the behave. But you cannot stay like this forever. You have to change.
Soon call you back.
You know,
Me up on an important call.
you don't have any manners and you need to change your dirty lifestyle them. You never have to answer the call. You could have ignored it because me I talk to you. But guess what? They say, who know better, do better. Because you see if me follow you, police come for me. Remember me tell her that. But you better be careful where they say out of your mouth to me because I know every time I go take it like this. Me just might take it slightly for now, but for how long?
Remember, my father was on there. Don't they say that me more to put you out.
But look at this little girl and I don't know where me and him papa they come from. You know say, then do autopsy on your papa before him bury. And whatever the doctor say, kill him. Me no believe you, doctor. Kill me dead. Or you kill your pa. You're too little enough. You talk too much and you don't know manners. And you give the man heart attack and kill him. I can't about my business. If you don't draw me out. Don't draw me out. What's that? I go about my business.
How you want now?
What going, sis?
How? Me I Prime Minister? Every damn day I get up on my name. What wrong with you now?
So you deal with me, so me just
Yeah,
simple.
me have a father and father dead. It come like you don't have a father. It come like your father not dead. You just get up on my name, so.
You not take
If
telling.
me want just how me want just, me I just how me want just. Me feel comfortable, me I represent my father. My father that even though he's dead, every day when he get up, I thought about him dead, yes he's dead, me I represent him. You know me one chat the road and find the peace, no man?
You know a problem with you? I realize that from daddy dead, you change. I'm gonna like how the way you be. You just get up every day in a man clothes. Me don't know what is this. This is not you.
Me I delete you all of your number out of my phone. All of your crosses, me I block you now.
Flynn. I come to you as a sister to talk to you. And it coming like it a go through one ears and come back through the other. Me not tell you how to run your life, you know. And me not tell you what to do. Me just not like how the way you move it, where you talk to all the lady, the guardian, where you take care of it. You deal with me like a dog, like me and you no sister.
Me can't prosper. No.
Why me get up in it? So through me attack to you now, you get up and gone. I think I could attack to you, but it's just hard to deal with.
What you want, Marley and Dr. Scott there pass?
I to go convict them still.
Yeah, man.
But I'm afraid of them.
Yeah.
No joke.
No, me I tell you a story. Hold on. My niece this year call me, you know. Hello? Yeah, man. You can't come give me a page, man.
Yo.
No. Yeah, man.
What you do in the car?
Alright.
Yo, the way I do in the car. Me have a look at mission for match up, you know.
Yeah, man.
One love, you know.
Yeah,
you know,
man.
fam.
I have to watch out for one doctor, you know.
Yeah,
One
man.
doctor there.
Yeah, man. Boy, they're deadly, you know.
Yeah,
but
man.
you know I go. We link up. One love.
Alright,
Here, family
alright,
out
yeah,
there.
Man. Yeah, man. I tell them daddy.
Go on, uncle.
Go on, my niece are good.
There.
Yeah, man, if you're there, man.
Why, uncle? Since daddy dead, you know, things now work out how me want it to work out, you know. Life hard and rough and tough. See, I go on with a look farm and thing. I wonder if we can run in, you know.
You sure? Sure say that you want to?
Yeah, man, that's that I want to do.
Okay, then. I don't know say things hard still. And you're my niece, so if that you want to do, no problem. So tell me something, where your sister at?
I not deal with them people there, yo. I not deal with them people. All them a different setting, a different thing them I think about and I not deal with them, man. My sister, but I not deal with them.
Oh, I see what. Hey, look here, no. You see that thing here? It's not a woman thing, you know. It's rough, you know. You understand what I say?
I understand.
It's rough. So it's more easier, you know, you go look at 9 to 5.
Uncle, 95, I'm not a slave, you know, for all people, them 95 business. I'm not them. At this, I want to invest in them business.
Alright. Anything you say, you know. Because remember, you're my brother, daughter, so we are family. You understand? And remember this, family always come first. Alright? So anything you say, Allah. You see me? So tomorrow, just go and link me and the reason panic cause in a real life, if you never heard of my family, me I tell you plain and straight for go look at 9 to 5.
See, pray, man.
Alright?
So I'm going to check it tomorrow.
Yeah, man, tomorrow, man.
Oh, uncle, you know, it's a long time. More one of them gun there.
What you just say?
Yeah, more one of them thing there, man.
Boy, you serious, man?
Serious.
Alright, I'm going to tell you something. See that thing there? It's a gun thing. Gun thing lead to badness. So badness, so once you're in, you can't come out.
Uncle, I'm ready.
Alright.
So, may I link you tomorrow?
Anything you say, Allah.
I'm ready.
Family.
Alright.
Alright. Yeah, man. Yeah, deal, my niece.
Yeah,
But my niece, man, you're really serious, man.
yeah, man.
You're really serious about the business, eh? Alright. Everything good, man. No problem. Alright. It's like how I find out say you're serious. Never look at things for you did for me. Give me back.
Ready for the road.
Alright, hold this here.
Yeah.
You
Something
see?
for do you now.
Alright, you see where you're going to deliver it to me, I'm going to text you.
Alright.
Alright. So, watch out now, that's your first project, you know.
Yeah, man.
So make sure you say you don't disappoint me.
I'm ready for you, road, you know.
Alright, my niece.
Alright, uncle.
Come on. Look how little you be. And all me I talk to you and I hear you want to push weight. All who can hear I go feel it. What do you know? All who can hear I go feel it. Hey, yo, Marley, you want to go and see? I go want you and Dr. Scott do that thing for me. Alright, guess what now? You know what I give my niece a package to deliver. Yeah, man, to see him address, man. So here what I go on. I go on when I take it from her. Don't do her nothing. Make sure not even a hair upon her head nothing get hurt. You see me? Yeah. I just want to show her say that thing is no joke thing. You get what I say? I just want she know say that thing is no joke thing because yo, she feels that they give me a play thing. They give me enough a woman. I don't know, maybe she feels that she want to be next Mama Blanco. Maybe that. Yeah. Alright, but remember me tell you, don't make nothing do her, Alright, daddy. Yeah, man.
joke. Babe, babes, babes, be apart with some babes.
Let that for me. Me know who you.
Babes, no me. I mean,
Me who? Me not know you, man.
Aquan, what you talk about? You know me. Babe, what, babe?
Who you? Me know you, man. Me know you. Me
Give me-
know you. Why? Me know you. Who you, man?
Babe, me really can't understand what going on.
Me know you.
What you beat me for? I mean, Kwan, what you talk about if you know me?
Me know no Kwan.
When me say no Kwan, are you dressed too? Eh? When you dressed like this, I want to you. I'm supposed to meet you up later on.
My youth, who you?
When me say who me, you scare me right now. Eh? What kind of
No
lifestyle
one
you going
about
with?
my business and this
We
man
are
a
going
come
knapsack
for.
and look like at some...
Yo.
Flinetta, what happened?
Flinetta.
Yeah, Flinetta, what happened, Flinetta?
I'm sister name, sir.
What you mean say sister name Flinetta? No, you name Flinetta, what you talk about? You have a
My
twin
youth,
sister?
a twin. Me name Flynn. She name Flinetta. My youth, no, when they see me a pass, no what pull up about babes.
My apologies.
You see, if my uncle did give me a gun, me shot one in the head, you know, man.
My apologies, my apologies. Very sorry about that. Dear? Sorry about that, man. So, where's your twin?
My youth, no do that next time, yeah?
Alright, man. Respect her, man.
Hello? What going? Listen to me now. Me no want to hear nothing from you. Because you don't know say I'm here stay with them. What you know about down there? I'm here stay with them. I mean, I understand. All of a sudden, this girl act like a boy. She start dress like a boy, act like a boy. Everything when she do it like she a man and she a girl. Since her father did she pick up that dirty style eh, and you are uncle. Every minute you see her, you don't see her and know if you talk to her. When you come tell me about them, it don't make no sense. Come and make sure so then get sitting for eat and everything, house clean and everything alright. What? But you brighty? Why you no come take care of them? Anyway, no bother with it. No bother with it. Me know where they come about now. Because me know say you always a look me and me don't want you. And me tired to tell you. Yeah, listen, whatever. No, no bother with it, no bother come down there. Me no want you. Right now, me dey on the road. I be nice and make me hardly can hear what you say. I'm me responsible for them. Me no want you nothing from you. You see, if you want to take care of them, come take care of them. And no bother come tell me nothing when me no want you right now. And me know where you come after, you know. Me know where you come after. But if you think so, it go no way. Me always tell you no, so me no want you. And me no in nothing with you, and me mean you. No bother with me. You need to talk to your niece. And make sure know say she fi stop act like I say she a some boy and she a girl child. Talk to her how she a dress and how she look. Not come to me with no argument. You know, I no want hear nothing.
Wagwan girl.
I like to be educated,
And when you see me, I come check you. Wagwan.
but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my
Oh, but when you're not even come check me again, wagwan. Like say you dash me company no or what.
You know, say my final little man.
Eh?
So me I try to settle down with him.
Lie me.
Never know that. Never know all of that there. So tell me about it.
Yeah, but me I try call him. And me not get through to him, so me don't know what go on.
Maybe he lock off my phone or something. Or they run one woman.
Him not there on no woman, I me alone him out.
You sure
And
about
he
that?
treat me nice and everything.
Boy, I don't trust them man here, because them man are liar than thief.
Why you sound like you're jealous, so?
No, sir, me and friend not jealous, but I tell you the truth.
The man nice and treat me good. So, I not nothing to say. And him love me.
Alright, so you say me take your word still, but anyway, I never come check you upon that. Me come check you and say, from when you're not even come out, come check me. And all of them sitting there, me I say, Mama change. Things change with you. No, me see it.
Alright.
Alright.
Oi, much time I tell you to put up for my yard. You don't have nothing to do with your yard.
You again, Candy?
You know,
Me just
girl.
come check me
Hello,
friend.
hello. May I talk to you? Yes, when you see me I talk, you shut your mouth. Me ain't no size. Looking at my face. You see that little girl there? Me don't want you broke her out. Because she not have no man. You understand?
Me nah broke her out, man. That is my friend.
No, she
you know.
reach the age where she can't keep money no, but no time yet. She need to study more and she figure college. Don't do it. Our Chubika and her friend, she tell you her father dead, so you can just come and take her out of here and go give her man not do it.
No, so me and her not gone, no. When me and her go up on the road, I just go to ice cream shop, buy ice cream, chat and laugh, and we come back. I do them, me not even have time for them, they sitting there right there, no need that.
You sound like I want idiot and you look like a fool. Me know when you take her out of the yard, every friggin' minute, you come to him and they take him out the time go. How you time go dance? And
No,
she come back
so
and
me
tell me
not
like,
go
no
no
mind
dance.
chop a lie she a tell me.
Me
You see
can't go
that one
dance.
yeah? And the good one, this you see your next sister? Right now, a big headache she a give me. Me not even know which part. Where your sister there? So you eat from morning and much chocolate now?
Me
What
not
time?
eat nothing.
How are your sister? You sit down and fret pan? Why you never look about something to eat?
Well, me a come go me a man cause see, Miss Candy come and cuss me.
Hello. Me I beg you. You see if you have something in your yard to do?
Me do all of me fi do already in me
Clean up
yard.
your place.
Me clean
Leave
up,
her
me
alone.
wash, me cook, and me belly full and me alright. Me a go me yard Candy. I try me look a friend, man, and me just come check her. No, Miss Candy, me nah holler no man. Me wouldn't do that. She and me look a friend and me and her go ice cream shop, go buy ice cream, man.
Minute you chat about ice cream like
What
that.
a-
Go on this part of the
what
and
a
leave
that?
her alone. Right now she has stressed out over her sister. You come and antagonize that. And it's time to take it.
Later, you hear me, friend?
Yeah,
Alright.
go look like a friend you look. Me notice from these last days, you're there on phone. Me know you reach a age, you know, where you can start have boyfriend, but I no time yet to think about that. You need to study harder to go to college. Me I try to say me can save up some money for you and your sister. But what I like to ask you, why you never eat this morning?
No, in the house.
Nothing in the feet.
Mm-mm.
So how you not call me? And you me dey look fi call me and your sister fi call me. Uno nan call me. And your little piece of idiot uncle come call me.
Drop and mash up seat.
Me go get one phone for you. Let me see it. Watch you now. You really want one phone for you? No, just give me some time. Me get one phone for you. You know say? Your little piece of idiot uncle come call me phone. Me no know why him call me phone for. And they come question me about you and they come question me about your sister. What is the problem? Me no want him call me and he might use his head pan me come ask about what they go on down here. Me no want him ask about nothing down here nor no tight to one. And the same thing why no father never like for him be a part of the family. Because he love ask too much question and they come question me about my life. And no matter of fact, me no remember to tell you. As somebody him a look, you know. Every time he call me phone, I put him a come put argument to me like me they tell him say me I go left uno one in the house and go stay with him. This boy. Me not understand him. Look here, you see your uncle or if he call you, tell him say me say, don't call back my number. Delete your time phone, block me. Cause me no want him to call me. As somebody might look and me no want him. Me go try say, me go back out the road. You see that girl that will just come over here? Tell her say, me say, don't come back over me yard. Because I don't want she influence you if you go do nothing bad. See your sister they go on like I say she a man already. I mean, not understand how she not come in the yard all now. I wonder where she there. Me wonder she are. She there come. Look how she dressed like she a man. Jesus Christ, God. Me I beg you answer my prayer. Answer my prayer, Father God, and make this little girl understand and know that she's not a boy, she's a girl. Come here, man. Come would like to know where I come from. Come here. Hello. Miss, I notice you act like you're a man. Where you coming from, sir? Because you don't look like I say you're a girl.
Woman.
Where they come from?
Tell you, say. I'm my own big man.
What do you mean me not fi ask you nothing? Now what this now?
I just upset man spirit.
Yeah, explain yourself, me I listen.
I want more. Every day I never get up and ask me
you know
the same thing. You just
realize that the devil take you over. From your father dead 1 million times I will tell you. From your pooper dead. I realize that the devil take over for your mind and control you. You don't have no control over for your mind. What is the problem? Your sister in the yard from morning no more chocolate now. Not eat all because of you.
And that nothing to do with me.
I want you to stop from just like a boy. Be yourself. You're a girl child. Really?
Yo, boy.
Anyway, I'm not the one going out so hard with you today. You eat from morning?
Eat from morning. Ask me nothing, man. Eat from morning.
What do you mean you're already? I'm not ask you nothing. I don't understand you. You know, so you need to get a grip of yourself, though. And start have manners to people. How you feel? Say, to me, I know your mother, you feel you can come talk to me anyhow. Make it be the last time you talk to me.
Tell you, say. I'm my own big man. I'm free to do anything I want to do. One behave and act how she want to make she do what she want.
No, the way she dey act. You see? She dey act like she dey go the other way. And she's not man. You understand me? She's a woman and she's supposed to behave like a woman, like a child, like a girl child, a matter of fact. You understand me? You feel that you reach certain age now. If you can talk to me anyhow, go out and come in because you feel like. And a matter of fact, I realize say, your uncle, I can call me and they say certain things to me. And what do they do? Can me and your sister name to your uncle?
So what that have to do with me?
Will I go and give you
my
a
uncle calling you.
I
have nothing to do with me. Yeah, in business that.
Because he called me phone. And I don't like what he said to me. You understand? You need to tell your uncle say, me say if you not call back my phone again, no tall. Don't call back my phone again.
And that
no
nothing to do with me.
Tall. You understand? Because me no want nobody.
Alright.
Wait turn up the sofa. And they look for me so. Are you me and talk to you? You start you?
Talking to Flynn, I just go through 1 year, come back to the other.
And that me realize. But anyway, I go see if I can get something for no eat because you said nothing in the house. You understand? And I hope she nobody can worry you off. And I realize how you talk to your sister, you know.
Hello.
What go on my niece?
Uncle, what go on? You know, say I'm on my way to go drop off your goods, you know.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, what go on?
You have to tell me.
You know, say it's a little thing more you did for me. You see the girl that we take care of, you know.
You want me auntie? You want the guardian?
Yeah, Candy, yeah. Yo, you know, say I want you make me and her make a link though. Yeah, man, because a long time I like her, you know. Alright, what you say? You sure say you can do it, man?
Ah, boy. Aye. When me...
When me drop off the goods, me we come across and give you a link.
Alright. Yeah, man. Alright then, no say nothing, no say nothing. Just make your link up. Alright? Yeah, man. Alright, me need.
Alright. My uncle no easy no man.
Lynn, why you dressing like this?
I know your business that.
My youth, let me tell you something, 'cause you look like a man, you town. You look like a man, you Hey, listen.
Am I doing something wrong? In Jesus Christ.
Relax.
Action.
Am I doing something wrong? Or me dress?
Hey, listen.
Take your time, man. And deliver the message. Ready? Action. Action.
Me kind of way, yeah. I saw when I go up on the road and other people talk to you, so you deal with them.
Where can say I go?
Boy, respect due to even the dog. Little boy, you're no big man. You understand me? So you have to know if you deal with people, because when you go up on the road and go deal with other people, then kind of way then go.
You don't like one.
I disappoint you. So you put on.
Public growness.
Me-
I don't want to hear that laugh at me.
A little girl, me fi say. Little girl, let me start over. No, so why you put on this for?
Yeah, boy.
Just like a boy. Yes, sir. Go on, pick up.
All right.
It's a little
Make
girl.
it see it. Little girl, me did this say. And you all laugh too, before you tell me fit up.
Ready.
Little girl, me fi say, not little boy. Sorry. I forgot to say a girl.
Little girl.
Start over?
Yeah. Me and your father. Father.
Yeah.
You know your father.
No, me never.
No, you are set to us. Little
Me
girl.
know say me.
Me know some your father.
Right.
Yeah, father.
Yeah. Me no fool, I don't make me chat so long. And they laugh. All right. Ready now, Jada? Ready? Ready you?
Ready, long time.
Little girl. Me know say me know your father, cause me no man.
Go on, uncle.
Oh, go on, my knees so good.
But then,
Yeah, man, if you're there, man.
You know.
Babes, you have pass with some babes.
me know you.
Babes, no me. I mean,
Me who? Me not know you, man.
Aquan, what you talk about, you know me? Stop you out, a joke, yeah.
Ready now, action.
On the night, man, on the night.
Ready now. Ready.
Babe, what?
How you, man? How you, ka? Me know you, man. You. Me know you.
Bomb on his leak, and after him say, Lynn, nature.
I want to see you,
Ready now, action.
On the night, man, on the night. Alright, ready? Babe, what?
How you, man? How you, ka? Me know you, man. You. Me know you.
I couldn't want to stand, sir. Come on. I'm against only. You can't let me have the show. Come again. You must have CC marker then, sir.
Right, Mark, come closer, man. Come closer. Right.
Right? Watch that then. I'm making you jump on ground Friday, sir. Babe, what, babe?
How you? Me know you, man. Me know you. Me
Give me-
know you. Why? Me know you.
Babe,
How
yo!
you, man?
I can't do it! Go on. Step up. I'll beat you then. Come. No, you got a love liquid. Yeah, come in. I want the one thing. Which man? Not tell him. Ready?
Ah, who ya, man?
Babe, me really can't understand what I'm going on, sir.
Me know ya.
What you beat me for? And me, Kwan, what you talk about if you know me?
I know no Kwan.
When me say no Kwan, are you just so? Eh? Why you just like this? I want to you. I'm supposed to meet you up later on.
My youth, who you?
When me say who me? You scare me right now. Eh? What kind of
So
lifestyle
what
you going
about
with?
my business and this
We
man
are
a
going
come
knapsack
for?
and look like some. I don't want to say the word.
Yo.
But Flinetta, what happened?
Flinetta.
Eh?
I'm a sister name, so.
No, that we candy. Candy, man. It's a camera there.
Flinetta.
Yeah, Flinetta. What happened, Flinetta?
I'm a sister name, so.
What you mean say sister named Flinetta? Now you name Flinetta. What you talk about? You have a
My
twin
youth,
sister?
a twin. Me name Flynn. She name Flinetta. My youth, no, when you see me a pass, don't worry about babes.
My apologies.
You see, if my uncle did give me a gun, me shot one in the head, you know, man.
My apologies. Very sorry about that. Yeah? Sorry about that, mom. So, where's your twin?
My youth, no do that next time, yeah?
All right, mom. Respect her, man.
You lick on me, give public my hand.
Yo. All right, step back up. Two, son. Back on. If you do it. Ready? Babes, where you pass me, so babes?
Let that for me. Me know you who you.
Babes, no me. I mean, no.
Me who? Me not know you, my youth.
Aquan, what you talk about, you know me? Stop, yo, that joke you run. This a girl, I feel laugh. How's that girl, man?